Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. Nothing exciting going on at the moment. It's a bit in no man's land. I really just want to focus on the shorter time frame here. At the moment, we have a possible Elliott wave triangle here. I'm tracking that currently as an ending diagonal, to be honest. Here, the move down in a C wave highlighted in yellow. So it should send us down lower as long as price stays below $113. This was the resistance area, the trend reversal area price reacted to on the 2nd of July. This one worked out nicely, but now it just needs to follow through. So far, QNT doesn't seem to be motivated to do anything really. That's what I mean. It's sort of in the in-between space, not doing much here. Hovering below major resistance at $120. And this support cluster at around, I mean, it's a bit of a cluster. We talk about $95, $96, $97. Yeah, several instances of support. Can't really push below it really. Yeah, there is a lot going on there in this price region. And QNT just can't really go below it, right? I don't know what's going on here. But it needs to break below that $95 level. I think it would be good for this chart to finally get a bit of buying interest back in. Because to start from here with a new rally is going to be difficult unless it's going to be a corrective rally. And then we have breakout points at $113 and $120 to the upside. Until then, ideally lower is expected to follow this wave count to the downside, following the yellow path, 1, 2, and then wave 3 down, in which we're tracking an ABC structure. Why ABC? Because this C wave is considered an ending diagonal. Target-wise to the downside, so first of all, it's just testing this ascending trend line. A break below that trend line would likely send it to that support cluster around 95, and a break below that level would likely send us to around about $80. Yeah, maybe a few dollars more, 81, 82, 83, but there is some more support down here. It's also the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is quite relevant. Let's actually add the 61.8 Fib level to the chart. We've already broken below it. That is the $112 level that we reacted to here on the 2nd of July. So I take that off again. But yeah, I think the 78.6 Fib level is the next major support level. Until then, it's in no man's land. Extremely boring chart at this stage. I think lower is still expected because of the lack of any impulsive price action to the upside. We just need to be mindful of the relevant breakout points to the upside. But until they are broken and price sustains above especially $120, another low is expected in the yellow path. We have to expect this yellow path to change because it is an ending diagonal. They can always morph, they can always change a little bit direction, yeah. But overall, down there at around $80, we have a support cluster of fibs, not only the 78.6 retracement, but also 1 or 2 Fibonacci extensions that point into that direction. Chart that's extremely difficult to read, especially on the lower time frames. That's the best I think we can get at this stage. Be aware of relevant support. Be aware that the trend is still locally down. We cannot confirm any low in place. But if we add the daily time frame indicators, yeah, then we can see, let's look and zoom in a little bit. So at the moment, my view is lower is still expected anyway. I just said that, right? The idea is that the MACD, obviously, you can see that confirms that we had a bearish crossover here on the 5th of July. On the MACD, negative momentum is still increasing. So let's see if it's following through. We also see a bearish engulfing candle currently on the daily time frame, confirming that. The relative strength index also in the bearish range, and it hasn't really pushed above 50 for a while. Yeah, it spent a little bit of time there, but it needs to sustain its place in the 50, above 50. As you can see, since February, it's been below 50 on the daily, mainly. And that's an indication that we're in a downtrend. So from that point of view, we are watching here for further lower prices. It tried to get above it, but couldn't hold it. So lower is still expected. Yeah, we had a few bullish divergences, that's true, but it's only a divergence. It doesn't really confirm anything yet. So lower is still expected at this stage. If things change, I will of course make you aware. Yeah, that's my update about QNT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.